Hello?
Hi, this is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. We received a 911 call from this number. Do you have an emergency?
Yes, my neighbor is literally shooting at my house and he just busted my window.
And what's your neighbor's name?
Mike?
Okay, we will have a deputy out there as soon as we can. (911), what's the address of your emergency?
26599 Nudgent Street. There's a whole bunch of people crowding my house and everything, trying to break into my house.
What is your name?
Michael Ramos, they got a bat. They're trying to break my window.
Is that them knocking?
Yeah.
Okay, it sounds like they're knocking.
Deputies arrived at the residence, but the suspect was uncooperative. He declined to report and refused to come outside. At approximately 10:30 p.m., a neighbor called dispatch to report that the suspect shot a family member's car window with a BB gun. Deputies in the area responded.
Hello, Sheriff's Office.
Hi, I called about vandalism on my property. Well, he just shot out my my brother's girlfriend window, and this is not even her car.
What happened? Michael Ramos, it's the Sheriff's Office. You have a warrant for your arrest. Step out of your residence unarmed. Here's the bow. Michael! Put the bow down! You're not putting your bow away? Why? He pulled up in that curtain and he had a bow and arrow pointed at me. You're gonna make what explode? The subject saying his gas line is unhooked and is gonna make it explode. Stop lighting the house on fire! He's lighting his curtain on fire. He's still got a bow in his left hand. Michael, come to the window without the bow and talk to me!
Michael Ramos is at the Kern County Sheriff's Office. Come out the east door unarmed. You want to work something out? Let's work something out. But you have to do it without a bow and completely unarmed.
He just said he's gonna kill the dog.
Just step outside with nothing in your hands and you just chill on the front porch for now.
But I'm not giving myself up.
Michael, you're under arrest.
Have to stop!
Michael, you're under arrest and you need to follow my orders and step outside.
I'm gonna shoot myself. My pulse right about now.
Come on! Do you really want to do that?
I don't care. They kill me.
That's not what they want to do.
They kill me.
I don't want that to happen.
They kill me.
Michael, I'm on the phone with you right now to make sure that you are safe. I don't want this to go in the way that you're trying to make it go.
Shoot me.
The only way
I dare you guys to.
The only way I can guarantee your safety, Michael, is if you listen to my orders. I've already told you you are under arrest, and I need you to come out with your hands up. Do you hear them? I can hear them over the.
Well, you want me to cut my line? Here, I got my line. I'm going to cut it. It's open. It's on. It's on. We're going to blow up.
What happened, Michael? What do you got? Do you got a crossbow or a bow and arrow? What's going on?
Doesn't matter.
How many arrows do you have?
I got a lot.
What's going on?
I got a gun pointed at you guys now.
You have a gun pointed at us now. Okay, what type of gun
Now.
do you have?
Doesn't matter.
It does matter.
You better start firing those real bullets.
You say start firing?
Yeah, start firing those real bullets.
We don't want to do that.
Shoot.
Look, man, I want this to end peacefully, Michael. And you just keep saying these negative things. That's not helping. Michael, do you have a gun in your hand?
Yes, I do.
You need to put that down.
No.
You need to put that down, Michael.
Wait.
Can you please just put that gun down so we can...
Come out with your hands up and surrender now.
He's got something in his right hand.
Stop. Don't stop.
Look, man, is that a gun in your hand? Drop it over the fuck.
Put it.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. You also have a knife in your hand. I'm standing right here looking at it. I can see it. You toss that knife on the ground so nobody gets hurt. Michael, right now you're not done. I'm the one that can make sure that this ends well. Michael, come on.
Didn't you say come up to the fucking bed, right?
Yeah, Michael. All you have to do is walk over here and give up. Then we're done. Don't pick up that gun. That's a real bad idea. I want you to be safe. Do not pick up that gun.
Why, is he going to shoot me? You need those automatic rounds?
I know for a fact they are.
I hope they are.
Do you see those green dots on your chest?
Yeah.
That means you're going to get shot if you pick that thing up.
You think you guys going to kill me?
All you got to do is come out here, bud. No. No. Don't reach for it, Michael. No. Michael. No, Michael. Put your hands in the air.
Kill me. Kill me.
No.
Those life rounds?
Michael, you know they are.
Are they life rounds?
You know for a fact they are. They're absolutely live bullets.
So let's do this top suicide bullshit.
No, don't do that. Hey, why'd you pick up the gun? Put that fucker down. Michael, put the gun down.
He's got it in his right hand.
Michael,
lower
the goddamn gun. Michael.
Life rounds, right?
Put the gun down.
Life rounds, right?
Yeah, they are.
I love you,
Michael, do not pick that gun up. Don't do this. Michael, don't.